Hello besties and Merry Christmas in July. It is Becky here with Bestie Becky's Crafts, and today is day 5 of my collaboration with my bestie Irina with Fun Life on a Budget featuring Bestie Becky. And today we are going to make this cute little thing right here, and it's a gift card holder. I don't know about you, but we do a lot of gift cards at our house because my kids are older and it's a lot easier to give them a gift card and let them pick out what they would like for Christmas. And a lot of our family lives far away. Well, all of our family lives far away, so gift cards are just easier to send. So this is the cute little gift card holder, and I'm going to scan back here so you can see when I open it. So this is a belly band, and when you take the belly band off, this is supposed to be Santa's suit, Lionel's suit, and then you turn it over and you open it up, and there's your gift card, and it says Merry Christmas. So you have room down here to write that it's from you if you'd like, or something else. And you could add on the front side a tag, you know, to the belly band for who it's to, if you wanted to. Or I had a cute idea that there's this gift card holder. It matches that gift bag we made the other day. I just added some bling in the center to match the bling here, and this slides right down in there perfect. Isn't that cute? So these two can go together. So let's go ahead and get started on our gift card maker, holder, whatever. I'm going to need my card here. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and this is really, really easy to make. If you know how to use your envelope punch board, you can do this in like a split second. So here's my envelope punch board. You're going to need a piece of red cardstock that is cut to 6 inches by 6 inches. Get my little scoring tool out here, and you are going to line this up at 2 5/8 on this little corner edge right here. So at 2 5/8, and you are going to punch, and I'm sorry if it shakes the camera, and then you're going to rotate and line up your score line on the little score guide there. I guess that's what you call it. Punch and score, and you're going to do this all the way around. Like so. Last one. Alright, just like that. Easy peasy. And then we are going to round our corners. So nice having this corner rounder in the back of the punch board here. Just makes life so much easier. Alright, we're done with our envelope punch board. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and fold on all of our scored lines, and our bone folder, crease them, alright, and then we're going to just set this aside. We're done with this for right now. Now we need to make the pocket that goes on the inside. So we're going to use a piece of red paper that is 4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. So that was 4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. And then along the 4-inch side, you're going to measure in 2 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and just use my centering ruler because it's handy. And I'm going to, it's stuck on my paper. There we go. We are going to make a mark with our pencil at the center mark. Alright, so since 4 inches, it's 2 inches in. Oh my goodness. Alright, and then I'm going to use my 2-inch punch from Recollections, and I'm going to take the back off again. I guess that's so you don't like punch your fingers off or something. I'm not sure. And I'm just going to go down about 1/2 inch and center it as best I can, and I'm going to punch. And that just makes it easier for us to get our gift card out. So there we go. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to punch. Oh my goodness, we're going to stamp Merry Christmas on our pocket. You could stamp whatever you wanted. Happy Holidays, Joyful Wishes, like this says. But I'm going to use the Merry Christmas from Lawn Fawn, and it's from the set Joy to the Woods. Funny, right? So I have my Memento ink here, Tuxedo Black, and this is a brand new one, so it doesn't want to open yet. But it's nice to have lots of ink on it. My other one was getting dried out. Alright, and then we're just going to center and stamp. Hopefully we get a good stamp in the center. Oh, stuck! Oh, perfect. Perfect. I like it when it stamps nice. Alright, let's bring our envelope over, and we are going to glue this to one of the long sides in here. So we are going to put glue on the 3 sides that don't have the punch to make our pocket, and just a very thin bead of glue, because we want as much room in that pocket as we can get. I guess in case you want to put a couple gift cards in there. No, I wouldn't mind. Or a $100 bill or something like that. Alright, so we're going to put it up to our bottom score line down here, and we're going to center it in between the 2 side score lines. You can see that, like so. So we have room to put our gift card. And then we just kind of let that dry. And while it's drying, actually the side's folding first. While that's drying, we're going to work on the belt. So here's our belt. Black, of course, because it's Santa. And this measures 9.5 inches by 1 1/4 inches. So that was 9.5 inches by 1 1/4 inches. And we are going to do some scoring. So, get your scoreboard up here. I forgot I already got my scoring tool out. And along the 9.5 inch side, you are going to score at 3 inches and at 7 3/8. So that was 3 inches and 7 3/8. Easy enough. And now you're done with your scoring tool. we're going to go ahead and fold on these score lines. And I'm not going to use my bone folder because I don't really want these to be super creased, if that makes sense. Super creased, right? And this time I'm going to use my tearaway tape because I want this to be strong, because this is going to get a lot of, use being pulled on and off. So I'm just going to pick a side, doesn't matter which side, and I'm going to put tape on the inside. And I think on this one, yeah, this is the longer side, so I can go ahead and bump two up right next to each other just for a little added adhesion. Big word. Trying to sound smart today. And then we're going to take the backing tape off. Please cooperate. I'm scared to cut my fingernails because then I don't know what I'll do. Alright, and then we're just going to put these two together, make sure they line up. And then the next thing that we're going to do is our belt buckle. And our belt buckle is made out of, I hate that it's shiny because you can see stuff. You can see how dirty my craft room is. Alright, so for this paper, it's going to measure 2 inches by 1 3/4 inches. And this is the belt buckle. And then the center of the belt buckle is 1 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. So it's a square, right? You all knew that. Makes sense, right? This time I'm going to use liquid glue because I'm not sure how well the tearaway tape glue would stick to the gold foiled paper. And then I'm just going to put this in the center. Center it best you can. Alright, I think I'm off a smidge. Yep, I was off a smidge, but that's okay. And then I want to bling it up a little bit to kind of make it look like the little, part of your belt buckle that you put your you put through the hole on the belt. You know what I mean. These are like a long strip of gold. What do you call them? Gold nail heads is what they call them. Crazy name. I'm going to put a dot of glue in the center because, as you know, I don't trust the back of the bling. And then we're going to glue this on the front. We're going to center it and we're going to cover up where that seam is. So I'm going to turn it towards me so I can see. And I'm just going to put glue. Well, the belt goes this way. So I want the short side of my gold piece, the 1 3/4 side, this way, and then the 2-inch side going this way. Okay, does that make sense? So I'm going to put glue going this way and just in the center. Just like so. And then I'm going to center it on my belly band. And you're going to use your 1 3/4 inch square to kind of center it too, because this is 1 3/4 inches wide. So it all, it all goes together. So there you go. So there is our belly band. And here is our card. with our pocket in it. And now we need to glue the fur from Santa's jacket on, and this is just a white piece of cardstock, and it measures 1/2 inch by 3 1/8 inches. So that was 1/2 inch by 3 1/8, and we're just going to center it on the solid side of our envelope. And this is all the open part, so on the solid side there, and then our belly band will just slide on, and there you go. Done. I think that's like the fastest gift card made in the Southeast, because that's where I live. So, super easy, right? Super easy. And like I said, it would go perfect with this gift bag we made the other day. So, because it just fits right in there. And then you have room for other goodies too. You know, still room in there for those diamond earrings. So, that's it. I hope you give it a try. Like I said, really easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will gladly answer them for you. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And I will leave a link in my description box for my bestie Irina, her YouTube channel. Check it out. Show her some love. And also check out our Facebook group. It's called Fun Life on a Budget, featuring Bestie Becky. And I'll leave the link in my description section below. Also, we'd love to have you join. It's a great group full of wonderful, wonderful women, but we'd love to have some men too, if you'd like to join. We do monthly swaps. We have a birthday card club. You can post pictures of things that you've made. They don't have to be just, cards and pocket letters. It can be other things, mixed media, loaded envelopes. Our swaps are all different things. We try to change it up sometimes. So, I think that's it. So, Merry Christmas in July, day 5. I wonder what I'll do for day 6. Again, it's a surprise. You better check in, because there might be something cuter than this and quicker than this. You never know. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.